Welcome to Practical Civil Engineer with Engineer Wasim Alam, and today our new topic is 10 technical terms you must remember at site. When you are working on site, you have to remember these 10 terms. These are the technical and basic terms on site. So first, which is hook length of a stirrup. So these are two types. One is 90-degree and 130-degree. For example, this is a stirrup and this is these are the hooks. So this is 130. If you are talking about 90, so that will be like this. So this is the 90. The second number is minimum longitudinal bars in a column. Suppose this is a column, a cross section, and the number of bars longitudinally, that will be the 4 bars. So minimum number of bars will be 4. That will be the minimum numbers of bars in a column. Third number is column longitudinal bars and hooks. How and what is this? So suppose this is a column, right? This is beam or whatever, slab or something you can, and this is the foundation. So this is the bar and this is the hook length. So the hook length will be always 90-degree. In a column longitudinal bars, that will be 90-degree. No lapping provided at a bars. So above 36 mm, we don't provide overlapping because the length of a bar is too thick. So for that, the stress is not go through that bar. So for that, we didn't provide overlapping above 36 mm. Maximum lapping in the same place. So for example, same, if this is a column and this is the center, we provide overlapping in a center in a column. So for example, this is the lapping zone, so we have to provide laps. So one laps or here and another one will be like here. Suppose these two bars across, the lapping will be here and these two one will be there. So 50%, not more than 50% at a same place. Hook length of a stirrup. So the hook length of a stirrup, suppose, as I told you, this is suppose a stirrup with the angle of 130. So the length of that hook will be minimum 3 inches or minimum with 10d. 10 will be 10 and d will be the dia of bar, so that will be the 10d. So the 7th point is bending wire required for 1 ton. Suppose there is a slab and the steel bar required for that is 1 ton. So how much the bending wire will be required for that? So that will be average 7 kg to 12 kg will be the bending wire. 8th number is lapping in a compression zone. Compression and tension. Suppose this is a column, right? So the compression will be on the top. So on top we provide compression per overlapping will be 24d. D is dia of bar. And lapping per in a tension zone. So they here at the bottom of the beam there is a tension. This is a tension zone. So for that we provide 50d to 60d will be the lapping length. 10 number is maximum number of bars in a circular column. Suppose this is circular column, so the minimum number of bars will be minimum number of bars will be 6. That will be the minimum number of bar in a circular column. So these are the 10 technical terms you have to know about in a site. So if you have any difficulties in this, you can ask in a comment. And if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.